Okay, so this is our last practice problem, and then you're going to be ready to take this exit ticket. Let's annotate. So they've given us the rotation, and they're asking us, was the pre-image rotated 180 degrees about the origin? And then on the next slide, we'll answer why or why not. So on this slide, we just need to look at the ordered pairs, right? Because I'm looking at it, and it looks like it was. It's upside down. It moved, so point K starts in quadrant 1, and it ends up in quadrant 3. So it moved 2 quadrants. Everything looks right, but we always have to be sure. So let's get these ordered pairs. So point K is at what? -1, -1. P is at 0, -1. T is at 1, 2, 3, -2. Q is at 0, -1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to switch colors. Now, if it's a 180-degree rotation, then all of these will be their opposites. So let's look at K prime. It's at 1, 1. So far, it's checking out. P prime is at 0, 1. Opposites so far. T is at -3, 2. Yep, still checking out. And Q is at 0 and +4. So now I can prove, yes, this was a 180-degree rotation because all of the X and Y coordinates became their opposite, which is what you will type in this slide. Was the pre-image rotated 180 degrees? So yes, comma, the pre-image was rotated 180 degrees because the X and Y coordinates became their opposites. Sorry, this is so sloppy. And that's it. So now you're going to show work on the next slide for the exit ticket, and then you'll be ready to put your answers in to show that you've mastered this lesson.